Ever wondered, is Equifax your lowest credit score? Have you ever been denied credit for something you desperately needed, only to be left scratching your head wondering why? It happens to the best of us. Maybe you've been diligently building your credit history, but for some reason, loan applications keep getting rejected. You check your credit report, everything seems fine, or does it? The truth is, there's not just one credit score out there haunting your financial decisions. There are actually three major credit bureaus in the United States: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And guess what? Each bureau maintains its own credit report on you, with potentially different information and, you guessed it, different credit scores. So, while Equifax might show a lower score than you'd like, the other two bureaus could tell a completely different story. This can be confusing, frustrating, and downright unfair. But fear not, credit warriors. This video will crack the code on Equifax scores, explain why they might be lower than your other scores, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Here's the thing, Equifax uses its own proprietary scoring model, which means the way they calculate your score can differ from the methods used by Experian and TransUnion. While the overall range for most credit scores falls between 300 and 850, the specific details, the factors they weigh more heavily, how recent information is considered, can vary between bureaus. Now, here's why your Equifax score might be dragging you down. Reporting discrepancies, believe it or not, information errors happen. Negative marks from late payments or missed debts could be lingering on your Equifax report when they've already been resolved with the other bureaus. Credit inquiries. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, a hard inquiry is made on your report. While these inquiries have a minimal impact on your score overall, multiple inquiries in a short period can ping Equifax's radar more significantly than the others. Credit mix. A healthy credit mix demonstrates your ability to manage different types of credit. If your Equifax report shows a heavy lean towards one type of credit, like credit cards, it might raise a red flag for them compared to the other bureaus that see a more balanced mix. Alright, so your Equifax score is the black sheep of the bunch. Now what? The good news, you're not powerless. Here are some actionable steps to improve your Equifax score and bring it up to par with the others. Get your free Equifax credit report. By law, you are entitled to a free credit report from each bureau annually. Review it thoroughly for any errors. If you find something wrong, dispute it immediately. Be mindful of credit inquiries. Shop around for loans or credit cards within a short time frame to minimize the number of hard inquiries impacting your score. Diversify your credit mix. Consider opening a store credit card or a secured loan to demonstrate responsible management of different credit types. Pay your bills on time. This is a no-brainer, but late payments can wreak havoc on your score, and Equifax might be particularly sensitive to them. Remember, building and maintaining a good credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. By taking these steps and practicing responsible credit habits, you can get your Equifax scores singing in harmony with the others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.